Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about print function and creating a new line and tab spacing within the text from the print function. So we'll go ahead with the example here. See, hope you all know this Twinkle Twinkle Little Star poem. So this is the line, this is the poem without any formatting, and this is the poem with formatting. So with the input of this text we have to get an output of this one. So here if you see carefully, the first line ended at star comma and a new line has created and a tab spacing was there, and at the same with the second line, new after R a new line was created and there are two tab spacings here. The same goes with high. After high there are two new line is created and there are two tab spacings. So we will create a text format like this. So for that we are going to use the print function. So print function is the function that gives the output of whatever the text or variables which has text is available in these double quotes. So now we are going to paste the unformatted text here. Copy, paste. Let us print this and see how the output is going to be. So Control Enter will print the selected area. If you wanted to run the whole file, you can click here. It will save the file as well as run the file. So after running the file, you are going to get an output like this as it is. Whatever we have given, it is coming as it is without any formatting. Now slowly we will create a formatting. Now the expectation is, first we will create new lines after each table. So after star a new line has been created. So after star type \n. Here a new line will be created, and next after R a new line is created. After R a new line is created. Next after high new line. After sky a new line. After star a new line. So now we have created a new line with the help of \n wherever we require a new line. Let us print this. See, now everything is printed in a new line based on our \n. Now we will have to do next thing, which is tab spacing. Here we will need one tab space, here we will need two tab spaces. So after first n, here we need one tab space, that means \t, and before up we need two tab spaces, \t, two tab spaces, and next like a diamond in this case, before this also we need two tab spaces, space t, \t. You don't have to give space here, so that space will also get added and it will go beyond. So here one more tab space. Now let us try print this. So we have reached the expectation of the program. One tab space here, two tab spaces before the up, two tab spaces before like, no space before twinkle, one tab space before how. So thank you.